teachers, do you know where to find your KakaoTalk QR code? I'll walk you through. Let's go. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your QR code from your KakaoTalk. So let us assume that you have already downloaded the KakaoTalk application and it is already in your phone. So all you need to do is just click the icon and open the KakaoTalk application. All right. So there you go. Once you've clicked it, you'll see that, and then you will be led to your profile. From there, you will be able to see that gear icon on the upper rightmost corner. Click on that, please, and you'll be led to this page where you see settings. Go ahead and click on it, and then you will see my profile QR. So let's just go ahead and maximize the page where you can see my profile QR. Just click on it. And there you go. That is your KakaoTalk QR code. You can go ahead and make a copy of it, save it in your phone by doing a screenshot because this will be very useful. So that is it. That is a walkthrough of KakaoTalk from your mobile phone. Now, let's go ahead and talk about KakaoTalk installed in your PC or laptop. To download the application in your PC or laptop, all you need to do is just click on the link that I will be providing in the description box. And you need to choose your operating system, whether it's Windows, iOS, Android, and just follow the notification. And in my case, because I already have KakaoTalk in my PC, that's what I got. But you should be able to easily follow through with a notification until it gets installed in your PC or laptop. So once it sits there, you can go ahead and click on the icon and you will be able to see the login page wherein you have three options. So you can either log in using your email or phone number and then supply your password, or you can use QR code login. So this is what we will be discussing. Okay, now take note that when you click on the QR code login button, it's going to generate a QR code that is only valid for 60 seconds. So before clicking on that, prepare this first. Go ahead and log into your KakaoTalk mobile application. All right, and then go ahead and click on that gear icon and your settings. Go ahead and click on that and proceed to click on my profile QR where you can see your QR code, but then don't use that. You will go ahead and click on the scan or the scanner, and you are going to use that to scan the code from your PC. Now quickly go back to your PC and log in by using QR code login button, and there you will see a QR code. Now you're going to use your phone to scan, and you will be led to this page where you can log in, and there you go, you are successfully logged in, and then you will see your profile. So that's one way of logging into KakaoTalk. So there you go. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. So until the next, bye.